Hello, it's Jipa again, and today we are looking at my latest Arduino project. And because of this thing, we are currently on the floor, because I don't want it clacking away on the desk. So first of all, here's the Arduino Mega. There's a relay card, RTC module, and here's the control panel, which, well, it speaks Finnish, but it's basically a timer. There are two buttons for moving up and down on the list, and then there's this encoder for setting the delay, and there's a limit that timer 1 is always smaller than timer 2, etc. And once you press the green one, first of all the green LED lights up, and then it drops the hatch. So, any guesses what this might end up being? And also it shows OK once the timers are full. It should also continue working after the power cut, but I have not tested that yet, so maybe I will not show the possible demo effect. And finally, okay, and then it says ready, and the light goes out. Yeah. It has this kind of solenoid thing. It should be able to release 50 kilograms, but this is 1.5, and it should be closer to what it actually ends up doing. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.